Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about Certified Maintenance Reliability Professional, CMRP. A comprehensive guide. Let's jump right into it. Certified Maintenance Reliability Professional, CMRP. A comprehensive guide. In today's industrial landscape, the smooth functioning of equipment and facilities is paramount to maintaining operational efficiency and ensuring safety. One of the most respected credentials in the world of maintenance and reliability is the Certified Maintenance Reliability Professional, CMRP. This certification validates an individual's expertise in the maintenance and reliability field, demonstrating their ability to apply best practices, manage resources efficiently, and improve operational processes. What is CMRP? The CMRP, Certified Maintenance Reliability Professional, is a globally recognized certification offered by the Society for Maintenance Reliability Professionals, SMRP. It is designed for individuals who are looking to prove their knowledge and skills in the areas of maintenance, reliability, and physical asset management. The certification is ANSI accredited, meaning it meets international standards for personnel certification programs, which adds to its credibility and value across various industries. Importance of CMRP certification. Achieving a CMRP certification can significantly benefit professionals working in sectors like manufacturing, oil, gas, energy, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and more. Here's why. Enhanced credibility. Earning the CMRP demonstrates a deep understanding of maintenance and reliability concepts, positioning professionals as industry leaders. Improved career prospects. Certified professionals often have better job opportunities, higher salaries, and leadership positions within their organizations. Operational efficiency. CMRP holders contribute to improving equipment reliability, reducing downtime, and optimizing maintenance practices, ultimately leading to cost savings. Networking opportunities. Being part of the SMRP community provides access to a global network of professionals, offering a platform for knowledge sharing and professional growth. Key domains covered in CMRP. The CMRP exam covers 5 key pillars of maintenance and reliability. Business and management. This area focuses on understanding organizational goals and how maintenance and reliability activities align with these goals. Professionals are expected to know how to develop strategies that improve profitability and efficiency. Manufacturing process reliability. Ensuring that manufacturing processes are reliable is a critical component of the CMRP. Candidates are tested on their ability to identify, monitor, and improve these processes. Equipment reliability. A core focus of the certification is on improving the reliability of physical assets. This involves a thorough understanding of maintenance strategies, failure modes, and asset life cycles. Organization and leadership. This pillar examines the ability to manage teams, budgets, and resources effectively. Leadership in maintenance and reliability roles requires strong interpersonal skills and the ability to drive continuous improvement initiatives. Work management. This domain assesses the knowledge of maintenance workflows, scheduling, planning, and the efficient allocation of resources. How to obtain CMRP certification. Eligibility. There are no specific eligibility requirements for the CMRP, making it accessible to both seasoned professionals and those relatively new to the field. However, candidates should have a strong background or experience in maintenance and reliability to successfully pass the exam. Exam details. The CMRP exam consists of 110 multiple-choice questions, which must be completed in 2.5 hours. The questions are based on real-world scenarios that test both theoretical knowledge and practical application of concepts. Candidates need a passing score to earn the certification. Preparation. Preparation for the CMRP can be done through self-study, training courses, and SMRP-approved workshops. Resources such as the SMRP body of knowledge and reference materials can provide comprehensive guidance for the exam. Maintaining the certification. Once certified, professionals need to renew their CMRP every 3 years. This can be done by earning continuing education units, CEUs, through activities like attending conferences, workshops, and completing relevant training courses. Conclusion. The CMRP certification offers a significant boost to any professional's career in the maintenance and reliability field. It demonstrates a commitment to excellence, a solid grasp of industry best practices, and the ability to drive operational improvements. For individuals looking to advance their careers, increase their value to employers, and network with other industry professionals, earning the CMRP is an excellent choice. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.